Hi guys, welcome to my channel. HP Recovery Manager is stuck on 0% and any other percent. So first and very important method. So first repair the system, Windows system file. So click to start and type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Okay, then type first sfc scan. Now this is very important for your system. Then it is completed 100%. After that you can try the second one also important. Restore, repair, rehealth. Okay, yeah. So second command is, please use this command 100% and after that use second one. So second command is this one, idsm online cleanup. And so both it is completed 100%. Then try to again and then before restart your system and please check it. Thank you.